When the weather warms up and the sun is shining, there's nothing better than a cold, refreshing pitcher cocktail to share with friends and family. Today on Cooking with Rod, we're making a vibrant, fruit-forward drink that is as beautiful as it is delicious. The Blueberry Lemonade Cocktail Pitcher. This drink combines the sweet, juicy flavor of fresh blueberries with bright, tart lemonade and smooth vodka, creating a perfect balanced summer cocktail that's ideal for backyard gatherings, barbecues, patio nights, or relaxing weekends. Blueberries and lemon are a classic flavor pairing. The natural sweetness of the berries softens the citrus bite of the lemon, while the lemonade brings everything together with a refreshing, slightly tangy finish. When combined with ice-cold vodka and topped with sparkling water, the result is a light, crisp cocktail that feels incredibly refreshing without being overly heavy or sugary. The beautiful purple-pink color that develops as the berries release their juices also make this drink a real showstopper in a glass pitcher. One of the best things about pitcher cocktails is how easy they are to prepare ahead of time. Instead of mixing individual drinks one by one, everything comes together in a single pitcher so guests can serve themselves. This makes entertaining simple and stress-free while still delivering a drink that tastes fresh, handcrafted, and full of flavor. As the pitcher sits, the blueberries and lemon slices slowly infuse the drink, deepening the color and adding even more natural fruit flavor. In this recipe, we start by preparing the fresh ingredients: juicy blueberries, bright lemons, and aromatic mint for garnish. We'll measure out fresh lemon juice, blueberry simple syrup, and vodka before building the cocktail directly in the pitcher. Once the lemonade and sparkling water are added, the drink comes together quickly, creating a refreshing beverage with a beautiful berry citrus balance. After a quick stir and a handful of ice, the cocktail is ready to serve. The final presentation is just as important as the flavor. Fresh lemon slices float through the pitcher while whole berries add bursts of color and sweetness. Each glass is poured over ice and finished with a mint sprig and blueberry garnish, creating a drink that looks elegant but is incredibly easy to make. Whether you're hosting a summer cookout, planning a brunch gathering, or simply want a refreshing drink to enjoy at the end of the day, the Blueberry Lemonade Cocktail Pitcher is a perfect choice. It's bright, fruity, refreshing, and incredibly easy to prepare. Exactly the kind of cocktail that keeps everyone coming back for another glass. So grab your pitcher, gather your fresh ingredients, and let's get started making this beautiful and refreshing blueberry lemonade cocktail pitcher right here on Cooking with Rod. Begin by placing a clean, empty glass pitcher on the rustic counter. This will be the vessel where all of the flavors come together. A clear pitcher works best because it allows the vibrant purple color of the blueberries and the bright yellow lemon slices to show through once the cocktail is built. Measure out the fresh blueberries and place them in a small bowl. Choose ripe, plump berries with deep color because they will release the best flavor and natural sweetness into the drink. Place several fresh lemons on the cutting board. Fresh lemons are essential for this cocktail because the bright citrus flavor balances the sweetness of the blueberries. Cut the lemons in half on the cutting board. This exposes the juicy interior and prepares them for squeezing fresh lemon juice. Squeeze the lemon halves into a glass measuring cup. The fresh juice adds vibrant acidity and brightness that forms the backbone of the lemonade flavor. Measure the lemon juice so the cocktail has a balanced citrus level. Too little lemon and the drink will taste flat, while the right amount creates the refreshing tang that makes lemonade so enjoyable. Measure the blueberry simple syrup in a glass measuring cup. This syrup brings sweetness and enhances the natural berry flavor of the cocktail. Measure the vodka into a measuring cup. Vodka works perfectly in this drink because it adds alcohol without overpowering the fresh fruit flavors. Measure the lemonade in a larger measuring cup. The lemonade ties together the lemon juice and blueberry syrup, giving the drink its refreshing citrus base. Place the sparkling water or club soda on the counter. This ingredient will be added later to lighten the drink and give it a refreshing, effervescent finish. Prepare a bowl of ice cubes. Ice will chill the drink quickly and keep the pitcher cold while serving. Slice lemons into thin rounds that will be used for garnish. These slices add color and continue to infuse subtle citrus flavors into the drink. Prepare fresh mint leaves for the garnish. Mint adds a light herbal aroma that pairs beautifully with lemon and blueberry. Add the fresh blueberries to the bottom of the empty pitcher. These berries will release juice as the drink is stirred, naturally coloring the cocktail. Gently muddle the blueberries inside the pitcher. This step lightly crushes the fruit so the juices blend into the cocktail while still leaving some whole berries for texture and appearance. Pour the measured lemon juice into the pitcher. The bright citrus flavor immediately begins balancing the sweetness of the berries. Add the blueberry simple syrup to the pitcher. As the syrup mixes with the lemon juice and the berries, the drink begins developing its signature purple color. Pour the vodka into the pitcher. The vodka blends smoothly with the fruit flavors without overwhelming them. Add the lemonade to the pitcher. This increases the volume of the drink and creates the classic lemonade flavor base. Add ice to the pitcher. Ice immediately chills the mixture and prepares it for serving. Pour the sparkling water or club soda into the pitcher. The bubbles add a refreshing lift that makes the cocktail light and crisp. Stir the cocktail gently with a long spoon. This evenly distributes the fruit, syrup, lemonade, and vodka, so every glass tastes balanced. Add lemon slices to the pitcher. The slices float through the drink, adding visual appeal and subtle citrus infusion. Pour the blueberry lemonade cocktail from the pitcher into a glass filled with ice. The vibrant pink-purple color and floating berries create an eye-catching presentation. Add a few whole blueberries to the glass as garnish. These blueberries enhance the appearance and reinforce the fresh blueberry flavor. Add a sprig of fresh mint to the glass. The mint adds aroma and a bright herbal note that complements the citrus and berries. For make-ahead applications, cover the pitcher with a lid or plastic wrap. This protects the drink and keeps the flavors fresh while chilling. Place the covered pitcher in the refrigerator to chill. Allowing the drink to rest briefly helps the flavors meld together. After chilling, stir the pitcher again to redistribute the fruit and ensure an even flavor before serving. For a faster chill, place the pitcher briefly in the freezer. This quickly cools the drink without diluting it. Remove the pitcher from the freezer once it's well chilled. Give the cocktail another gentle stir to recombine the ingredients after chilling. Add fresh ice to the pitcher if needed to keep the drink cold and refreshing. Pour the refreshed cocktail into fresh glasses filled with ice. Add a fresh lemon slice garnished to the glass. Finish the drink with a sprig of mint to brighten the aroma. Notes from the bartender. One of the reasons this blueberry lemonade cocktail pitcher works so well is the natural balance between sweet fruit, bright citrus, and refreshing bubbles. Blueberries bring a mild sweetness and beautiful color, while fresh lemon juice adds acidity that keeps the drink crisp and lively. These flavors combined with lemonade and vodka, the result is a cocktail that tastes bright, refreshing, and extremely easy to drink. Fresh ingredients make a big difference in this recipe. Using freshly squeezed lemon juice rather than bottle juice provides a cleaner citrus flavor that really lifts the drink. Bottle juice tends to be slightly bitter and flat compared to a vibrant taste of fresh lemons. If you're serving this drink for guests, the extra few minutes it takes to squeeze fresh lemons is well worth it. The blueberry simple syrup is what ties the drink together. It enhances the natural berry flavor while providing the sweetness that balances the tartness of the lemon. If you want a deeper berry flavor, you can simmer fresh blueberries with sugar and water to make a homemade syrup. As the blueberries cook down, they release a rich purple color and concentrated flavor that gives the cocktail an even more dramatic appearance. When it comes to the alcohol choice, vodka works best in this cocktail because it has a clean, natural flavor that allows the blueberries and lemon to remain the star of the drink. However, if you want to experiment with variations, you can easily substitute the vodka with other spirits. Gin adds a subtle herbal character that pairs beautifully with citrus and mint, while light rum gives the drink a slightly tropical twist. The addition of sparkling water or club soda near the end of the process helps keep the drink light and refreshing. It also prevents the cocktail from feeling too heavy or syrupy. When stirring the pitcher, use gentle motion so the carbonation remains lively. Overstirring can cause the bubbles to dissipate, which slightly flattens the drink. Ice management is another important factor when preparing pitcher cocktails. If you expect the pitcher to sit out for a while during a party, consider adding ice directly to each serving glass instead of the pitcher. This keeps the drink colder longer without diluting the entire batch. Another great trick is using frozen blueberries as ice cubes. They help keep the drink chilled while adding extra berry flavor as they slowly thaw. Garnishes play an important role in both presentation and aroma. A thin lemon slice on the glass highlights the citrus component of the drink, while a sprig of fresh mint adds a refreshing fragrance every time the glass is lifted. The visual contrast of deep purple berries, bright yellow lemon slices, and vibrant green mint also creates a cocktail that looks as good as it tastes. For large gatherings, this cocktail is incredibly easy to scale up. Simply multiply the ingredients and prepare multiple pitchers in advance. Because of the flavors continue to infuse as the drink sits, the cocktail actually becomes more flavorful over time. Just remember to add the sparkling water and fresh ice right before serving so the drink stays bright and bubbly. If you prefer a slightly sweeter cocktail, you can increase the blueberry syrup slightly or add a splash of simple syrup. For a more tart and refreshing version, increase the lemon juice and add extra squeeze of lemon into each glass. The beauty of this drink is how flexible it is, allowing you to adjust the balance to suit your personal taste. Whether you're serving this drink as a summer barbecue, backyard gathering, brunch, or relaxing evening on the patio, the blueberry lemonade cocktail pitcher is guaranteed to be a crowd favorite. It's refreshing, colorful, and incredibly easy to make, which is exactly what you want from a great pitcher cocktail. With its vibrant color, bright fruit flavors, and refreshing finish, this cocktail perfectly captures the feeling of a warm summer day in a glass. And once you pour the first round, don't be surprised if everyone quickly asks for another. And there you have it, a beautiful, refreshing blueberry lemonade cocktail pitcher that's perfect for sharing with friends and family. This drink brings together the natural sweetness of fresh blueberries, the bright tang of lemon, and the smooth balance of vodka to create a cocktail that is both vibrant and incredibly easy to enjoy. The addition of sparkling water keeps everything light and refreshing, while the colorful garnishes make every glass look as good as it tastes. One of the best things about this cocktail is how simple it is to prepare. With just a handful of fresh ingredients and a pitcher, you can create a drink that looks impressive and tastes fantastic. Blueberries release their juices as the cocktail sits, deepening the color and flavor over time, while the lemon slices slowly infuse their citrus brightness into the mixture. It's the kind of drink that gets better as the party goes on. Pitcher cocktails like this are also perfect for entertaining because they remove the stress of mixing drinks one at a time. Instead of standing behind the bar all evening, you can prepare the pitcher ahead of time and let the guests serve themselves. The result is a relaxing gathering where everyone can enjoy a fresh drink while you spend more time enjoying the moment. This recipe is also very flexible, which makes it easy to customize depending on your preferences. You can adjust the sweetness by adding a little more blueberry syrup, increase the lemon juice if you prefer a brighter citrus flavor, or experiment with different spirits like gin or light rum for a slightly different twist. No matter how you customize it, the combination of berries and lemon always delivers a refreshing, crowd-pleasing cocktail. If you're planning a summer gathering, brunch, cookout, or backyard barbecue, this blueberry lemonade cocktail pitcher is a fantastic addition to the menu. Its bright color, fresh ingredients, and refreshing flavor make it a drink that people naturally gravitate towards. It's kind of cocktail that disappears quickly from the pitcher because everyone keeps coming back for another glass. Thank you so much for spending some time with me today behind the bar here on Cooking with Rod. I hope you enjoyed making this refreshing pitcher cocktail as much as I enjoyed sharing it with you. If you give this recipe a try, let me know how it turned out and feel free to experiment with your own variations. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with friends who enjoy great food and great drinks. There are many more delicious recipes and creative cocktails coming your way, and I'd love to have you along for the journey. Until next time, keep cooking, keep experimenting, and most importantly, keep enjoying great flavors right at home. Thanks for watching Cooking with Rod, and I'll see you in the next recipe.